Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn text into science fiction images in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva and don't forget to sign in with your account. Then click apps to get started and click AI powered. You can scroll down and try to find the sci-fi gen, science fiction gen. Turn text descriptions into stunning science fiction images. So here we go. This app allowing you to visualize your imagination by click use in your design, click whiteboard, and here we go. You can describe your science fiction scene. You can try an example: futuristic city with flying cars, a group of astronauts exploring a mysterious alien planet. Just click to generate. Please wait, this may take a few seconds. So this is the result of a group of astronauts exploring a mysterious alien planet. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.